Never in my life would I have ever thought that I'd be a cat person, a cat lover, let alone a cat mama. And today on National Love Your Pet Day, I thought it would be appropriate then to walk and get my steps on with one of my favorite motivational coaches, my cats, our kittens. And you know, they are absolutely a joyful source. I never would have thought a joyful source of love, of wonder, and truly of motivation to help me get moving. They are, and obviously not all cats are like this, but I'm super blessed that these two in particular, little babies that I've raised, that my wife and I have raised since they were kittens, have truly become, again, not only a source of joy and wonder, and also an emotional support system for me, but my coaches, they get me moving because they're so active. And I discovered that they love going on walks outdoors here where we live. So that's what's gotten me moving once again. And from time to time, like yesterday's video, you'll see that they were with me along with our other feral cats. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting out of breath. And so happy National Love Your Pet Day. I'm looking forward to hearing how you're doing, as I am. Wow, has it been a week? It's been more than a week now since I started this challenge, so hooray for us. Gen X Queens, yay! Okay. Go out there, be your radiant selves. Keep moving. And thank you, mahalo, for being here. Love your pet today. Oh, in fact, what pet do you have that motivates you? Could be a fur baby cat, dog, puppy, maybe it's a bird, maybe it's a squirrel, whatever it may be. Happy National Love Your Pet Day, and Goddess bless our beautiful fur baby, feather babies for helping us to remember to connect to Mother Earth, be in our joy, always be in wonder, and remember to operate from unconditional love.